Welcome. If you're looking to make your social networks visible to everyone on Roblox Mobile, you're in the right place. Whether you want to connect with more friends, share your creations, or just make your profile more interactive, I'll walk you through the updated steps to make your social networks visible to everyone on Roblox Mobile. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, a menu will pop up with several options. From here, find and tap on Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage all sorts of account preferences. Now, look for the section called Account Info. Tap on Account Info to open your personal account details. This is where you can update your username, email, and other important information. Once you're in the Account Info section, scroll down until you see the area labeled Social Networks Visibility. This is the setting that controls who can see the social networks linked to your Roblox profile. Under Social Networks Visibility, you'll notice a few different options. To make your social networks visible to everyone, simply select Everyone. This means anyone who visits your profile will be able to see your linked social networks, making it easier for friends and new connections to find you outside of Roblox. After you've selected Everyone, your changes should save automatically. If not, look for a Save button or prompt to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully made your social networks visible to everyone on Roblox Mobile. Now your friends and fellow gamers can connect with you even more easily. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a hand. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming.